Hey there! Are you a business owner looking to take your finances to the next level? We, iCash Fintech, are introducing agents by Suisse Bank PLC, digital offshore bank. The financial instruments play an important role in international cross-border transactions. We support international clients to open bank accounts with Tier 1 Bank Nat-West, UK, and trade financial instruments for exporters, importers, and contractors across nations. Minimum value of the Financial Instumnets, $0.50 million, $500,000 USD. Maximum Valkue of the financial instrument, $50 million, $50 million USD. To help the project's owners build goodwill among suppliers and ensure business or efficiency, financial instruments are provided under secured, non-cashback terms. Additionally, since financial instruments are issued based on the business contract, KYC profile, and necessary costs, the project owner is not required to offer any type of security. The fees have to be paid exclusively to the bank invoice. Whether you need consulting for a feasibility study or help submitting project proposals to funding institutions, we've got you covered. Trade finance instruments, non-fund-based financial instruments bank guarantee, letter of credit standby, letter of credit proof of funds. All the above instruments issued directly by Suisse Bank PLC, Switzerland. We act as authorized agents to support onboarding activities digitally, a complete remote support and connection to a bank guarantee. A bank guarantee is a type of financial commitment made by a bank on behalf of a customer, ensuring that specified financial obligations of the customer will be met in the event that the customer fails to fulfill them. It's a form of risk mitigation often used in business transactions to reassure one party, the beneficiary, that they will receive payment or compensation if the other party, the applicant, fails to meet their contractual obligations. Non-collateral, non-cashback and cashback types of bank guarantees. There are different types, including bid bond guarantees, performance guarantees, advance payment guarantees, and financial guarantees, each serving a specific purpose in business transactions. Purpose. Bank guarantees are commonly used in international trade, construction projects, real estate transactions, and other commercial dealings where parties may be concerned about fulfilling contractual obligations. Mechanism. When a bank issues a guarantee, it undertakes to pay a specified amount to the beneficiary if the applicant fails to fulfill their obligations. The beneficiary can claim payment under the guarantee by presenting compliant documents proving the failure of the applicant to meet their obligations. Cost. Banks typically charge fees for issuing guarantees, which can be a percentage of the guaranteed amount, and may also involve collateral or security from the applicant's legal aspects. Bank guarantees are legally binding documents governed by the terms and conditions specified in the guarantee itself. Disputes regarding guarantees can be complex and may involve legal proceedings. International trade. In global trade, bank guarantees provide security to both importers and exporters, ensuring that contractual terms are met, even if parties are located in different countries with differing legal systems. Overall, bank guarantees are issued between banks through swift communication with agreed verbiage format, providing assurance to parties involved that their contractual obligations will be fulfilled or compensated for as agreed. However, our focus is on supporting limited liability companies in streamlining their financial strategies and ensuring the successful execution of their projects. With our strategic expertise, you can navigate the complexities of trade finance and project management, setting your business up for growth and long-term success. Demand Letter of Credit. A Demand Letter of Credit, DLC, is a financial instrument issued by a bank at the request of a customer, usually the buyer or the applicant, in favor of a beneficiary, usually the seller or the exporter, guaranteeing payment upon presentation of specified documents proving that the terms of the underlying transaction have been fulfilled. Secured cashback, SBLC standby. Letters of credit, SBLCs, offer several advantages for international trade, both in secured cashback and non-cashback scenarios. Here's a breakdown of those advantages. Financial security provides a guarantee to the beneficiary, typically the seller, that they will receive payment, enhancing trust in transactions. Reduced risk. Minimizes the risk of default from the buyer, as the SBLC can be drawn upon if the buyer fails to fulfill their payment obligations. Facilitates financing, can be used as collateral for securing loans or lines of credit, improving liquidity for both parties involved. Negotiable instrument, the SBLC can be transferred or assigned to another party, providing flexibility in financing and payment arrangements. Lower costs. generally lower fees than traditional letters of credit, making them a cost-effective option for businesses. Non-cash back, SBLC operational flexibility. Non-cash back, SBLCs often require no upfront cash collateral, allowing companies to use their capital for other operational needs. Improved cash flow. Since no cash is tied up, businesses can maintain better cash flow, using funds for growth and expansion rather than securing payment guarantees. Wider market access. Companies can engage in international trade with partners who may require more assurances, thus opening up new market opportunities. Enhanced creditworthiness. Holding an SBLC can enhance a company's credit profile, potentially leading to better financing terms with banks and other financial institutions. Regulatory compliance. In some cases, SBLCs can help meet regulatory requirements for international transactions, ensuring compliance with local laws and regulations. We offer international trade finance and financial instrument services in over 160 nations, partnering with Suisse Bank PLC, a digital offshore bank. These financial instruments play a crucial role in international cross-border transactions. We assist international clients in opening bank accounts with Tier 1 Bank Nat-West, UK, and trade financial instruments for exporters, importers, and contractors across nations. The minimum value of these financial instruments is $0.50 million, while the maximum value goes up to $50 million. For project owners, we offer secured, non-cashback financial instruments based on business contracts, KYC profiles, and necessary costs. No security is required from the project owner, and fees are paid exclusively to the bank invoice. Our trade finance instruments include bank guarantees, letters of credit, standby, letters of credit, and proof of funds. This ensures complete remote support and connection to a bank. A bank guarantee is a financial commitment made by a bank on behalf of a customer, ensuring specified financial obligations will be met if the customer fails to fulfill them. This mitigates risk in business transactions. A demand letter of credit is issued by a bank at a customer's request to ensure payment upon presentation of specified documents, proving that the terms of the underlying transaction have been fulfilled. Proof of funds demonstrates that an entity has the financial capability to fulfill a financial obligation, assuring the other party that sufficient funds are available and accessible. Standby letters of credit, SBLCs, offer financial security, reduced risk, facilitate financing, and are negotiable instruments. They generally come with lower costs than traditional letters of credit. Now let's talk about non-cashback SBLCs. These often require no upfront cash collateral, allowing companies to maintain better cash flow and operational flexibility. They open up new market opportunities and can enhance a company's credit profile, potentially leading to better financing terms. Also, they help in meeting regulatory requirements for international transactions. So, if you're ready to transform your international trade finances, iCash Fintech is here to help. Let's take that step towards a financially secure and prosperous future together. Thanks for tuning in.